I think students need to realise that there are a lot of industries that North Wales has to offer and that they don't really need to move far abroad to tap into these skills and work in those areas. It gives kids something to aspire for while they're still in school. They can start preparing for roles that they'd like to get into.
Well, we need both technical skills and people skills. The technical skills are obviously the ones that they get through qualifications or through apprenticeships. And the people skills are if you're dealing often with customers or with school children, that you need to be able to talk to people and make sure that they understand what you're talking about and enthuse them with what you're actually trying to help them with.
Dwi'n ffodus iawn, dwi'n dod o Sir Gaernarfon a mae Caernarfon fel tref yn dref sydd yn cynnal llawer o gwmnïau cynhyrchu teledu sy'n cynhyrchu rhaglenni Cymraeg i S4C ac i gwmnïau eraill a sianeli eraill yn fwy eang. Felly mae yna enw da yng Nghaernarfon a mae'n creu awydd ymysg pobl ifanc i fod isio gweithio yn y diwydiant. Felly mae'r sgiliau yna'n barod, ond mae presenoldeb diwydiant teledu yn Gaernarfon yn creu'r awydd i fod yn rhan o'r diwydiant hwnnw hefyd, yn naturiol.
Well, in particular, we're always after engineers. There's a wide range of engineering jobs and trades within the RAF. But everyone within the RAF to have the ability to work well with others, to be good team workers, have good communication skills, things like that.
The sort of skills that we're looking for over the next 5 to 10 years, you're looking at specialist basic skills in terms of tool makers and that type of stuff. There's a couple of big players in terms of automotive in Wales, in North Wales in particular, and aerospace. So you're talking about specialist skills in terms of electrical, electronics, software development, you're talking about technology, engineering, mechanical, aerodynamics and that type of stuff, which is coming through, and to be honest, there is a shortage. So we need to collaborate with all the members in North Wales, really, to fulfil these posts, which we will need over the next 10-15 years.
I think it's really important that the employers in North Wales are able to link closely with the education sector in a young person's education earlier than we currently do, so that young people are more aware of the skills that they have in everyday life and how they can build towards the skills that employers need.
In terms of specific skills, obviously, things like we're always looking at engineers, so in this day and age we're very keen on modern apprenticeship, so pretty much for every school leaver we can offer a modern apprenticeship, whether it be in catering, engineering, medicine, logistics, or simple warfare seamanship type skills, so lots and lots of different types of jobs.
Swn i'n chwilio am y sgiliau STEM, gwyddoniaeth technoleg, peirianneg a mathemateg, sgiliau craidd, sgiliau hanfodol hynna, ac wrth gwrs sgiliau dwyieithog, gallu bod yn dwyieithog yn y gweithle. Mae'n bwysig bod yna sgiliau ychwanegol, da ni angen hynny, a bod pobl yn barod ar gyfer yr her sydd gynnon ni ymlaen, lle, a bod nhw yn barod i wynebu beth sydd gynnon ni gynnig.